Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I would like to show you how to disable the touch screen. So the tips one is always search on the type here to search. Let's start. So we go type control panel. Then we'll pop up a list of menu, and today we go to the system. And then click on the system again, and then we'll find a menu on the left hand side, device menu. Device manager, and down here you can see the hardware, the list of the hardware, and we go to the human interface, and down there has the touch screen, right? So we go to disable,